Welcome to DARITHMA. Today we shall show you how to post an expense, a very frequent day-to-day operation in your business. From the left side main menu, navigate to your general ledger, and from the right side menu, select General Expenses. Once you are on the General Expenses dashboard, look at the Quick Expense actions at the bottom. DARITHMA gives you complete flexibility. You can post an expense that was made on credit, or you can record an expense that has already been paid. If the expense was paid instantly, you can choose exactly where the money came from: cash in hand, a petty cash account, a bank overdraft account, or a bank savings account. For this tutorial, let's demonstrate a very common scenario: paying for an expense using a company Visa card linked to your current bank account. To do this, we will click on General Expenses from Bank Overdraft. Just like with our other ledgers, notice that the main control accounts for this operation are already locked in for you at the top of the screen. You don't need to worry about complex double entry rules. First, click the search icon under the credited account column. Since we draw the money from a bank overdraft, the system automatically filters your chart of accounts with all defined bank current accounts. Simply select your specific bank account from the drop-down list. Next, we need to categorize the expense. Under the debited account column, use the prefix drop-down menu to find and select the general expense category, for example, electricity. Then, click the search icon next to it to select the specific electricity subaccount for your office. If a specific electricity account is not already defined, just enter a 4-digit code in the account suffix area, press Enter, and define the account. You only have to do this once. Now, type in your receipt or invoice number in the document field, and add a short description in the details box. Confirm the transaction date using the calendar tool, and then type in the net amount of the expense. Finally, use the handy VAT drop-down tool to select your VAT rate. DARITHMA instantly calculates the tax and the grand total for that row. You can always just enter the VAT manually if you wish. You can click the green plus button to add more rows and process a whole batch of expenses at once. Once you've reviewed the grand total at the bottom right, simply click the blue Post to Ledger button, and answer yes to the confirmation message. That's it. The double entry, VAT, and bank balances are updated instantly. DARITHMA makes professional accounting simple.